Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. This week's video is all about the upcoming release of a new Marvel blockbuster being Thor: Love and Thunder. And I'm really excited about this one, a great opportunity to take my son again to the theaters and also to make a cool illustration. So let's not wait any longer, let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. So for this drawing I want to draw Thor and Mighty Thor and stay as faithful as possible to the costumes from the film. They are extremely detailed and I can tell you this took quite some time to draw. The hardest part was finding a somewhat dynamic pose that at the same time showed off the costumes in a nice way and could include both hammers. To fit this all in one page was quite a challenge, but I'm happy how it turned out in the end. Thor is one of my favorite characters. As I studied history in my college years, I always was a fan of the old gods and their stories. And tell me guys, are there other Marvel characters that I should draw in the next video? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Thor: Love and Thunder is a 2022 American superhero film based on the Marvel Comics character Thor. It is a direct sequel to Thor Ragnarok from 2017 and it is the 29th film from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. The film stars Chris Hemsworth as Thor alongside Christian Bale, Tessa Thompson, Jamie Alexander, Russell Crowe and Natalie Portman. In the film, following the events of Avengers Endgame, Thor attempts to find inner peace, but must return to action and recruit Valkyrie, Korg and Jane Foster, who has become Mighty Thor, to stop Gore the God Butcher from eliminating all gods. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is inking time. Here we go. Hey, you! Yes, you! Would you like to own a sticker or a print or a t-shirt or a coffee mug with my art on it? Well, from now on, that's possible. I opened a web shop on Redbubble. Redbubble is a global online marketplace for print-on-demand products based on user-submitted artwork. So I upload my art and they will print it for you on a wide range of cool products and gadgets. This way you can get yourself some original designs and support me as an artist at the same time. I've put a link in the description if you want to take a look, but you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm already very honored that you are here watching my video. And you can also support me for free by subscribing to my channel or just liking this video. Now back to making art. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Thor, and are there some other Marvel characters who would like me to draw as well? Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start your weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!